loves, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing another Valentine's Day look and another collab. Today's collab is going to be with Ashley Rice. I will go ahead and link her channel down below. We are both featuring Morphe palettes today. Ashley will be using the 35B palette. I decided to use the 35F palette, which is really one of my favorite palettes. The only thing about this palette is it's mainly glitters. So if you look, lots and lots of shimmery shades. Down here is your only matte shades. So it's hard to make like an all over look. Typically, I'm not gonna lie, like these ones up here, like these 4 or 5 shades, I love using for my highlight, but to use like make a whole eye makeup look, I've never done that before. So this is my first time, and this is a look I came up with. I actually absolutely love it. So if you're interested in this look, make sure you check the video. If you would love, I would love for all of you guys to please go check out Ashley's channel and find out what she decides. She is using the 35B palette, and I will link her down below again. Make sure you go over, show her some love, give her some thumbs up, make sure you comment, subscribe, and for this look, keep on cheating. All right, let's get this video started. Nothing gets started without coffee, ladies. Let's just start there. So to start off with this makeup look, I'm gonna use this first color here, and I'm just gonna blend it into my crease. But as I was blending it, I realized it is super light. Like it pretty much matches my skin tone. So I tried and tried to build it up, but it just was not going anywhere for me. So I took this next color here, the third color, and used that as my transition shade. And as you can see, a lot better. It's actually popping. You can see it. And I just kind of put this in my crease as my transition shade. Next color I'm using are these two colors right here, actually. I'm using them both, and I'm going to go ahead and put these on my outer V and on my in my crease, but keeping it low, but mainly again focusing this color on my outer V. And here I'm just gonna go ahead and carve out my crease using my favorite Tarte concealer, just to kind of go ahead and carve out my crease where I want to put my lower lid shades. I'm going to go ahead and take this shimmery color here, and I'm going to use my finger because I find that when I use my finger, the color pops a little bit more, and I really, really wanted this color to pop. So I'm going to use my finger and just apply this to the middle part of my eyelid, just the middle. So I'm not going to get into my outer V, and I'm not going to bring it into the corner. This color is strictly going on my middle part. And I was looking, and I decided to go in with a brush and add a little bit more with the brush. Next, I'm taking this color right next to it, and this I'm gonna go ahead and pop in the inner part of my eyelid. So on the inner part of my eyelid, and then I'm also gonna take it into the bottom inner part. I didn't realize this color was so dark. I really wish I would have used a little bit of a lighter color, but I like it. And then I'm going to go ahead in with my transition color and make sure everything's blended, as well as that color I used on those two colors I used on the outer V. Again, just making sure everything's blended and looks seamless. Next, I'm going to take this eyeliner color here. It's a pretty little shimmery gold, and I'm going to go ahead and water my line my waterline with this. Now for my lower lid, I'm basically doing exactly what I did on the upper lid. So I'm taking those two darker brown shades and putting that color on the outer part of my lower lid. And then I'm going to go ahead, and you'll see me in a minute. I'm going to take the transition color and kind of just blend that all out. And then I'm going to take that shimmer color that I have in the middle of my eyelid on the top and put it in the middle on the lower. And I'm going to go ahead and repeat that with the other color as well. And next I'm going to take the top sparkly color here, and this is what I'm going to use to highlight my inner eyelid as well as my brow bone. And of course, I'm going to finish it off with some mascara to the lower eyelashes. And then remember in the beginning video when I told you I love these shimmer shades for my highlight? I'm going to take the top 3 and blend those on my highlight from my cheekbone, my nose, my upper lip. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab my brush to wipe off the bake that I have, baking and carving out my bronzer. And then I'm going to pop on some blush. And that completes the look, ladies. I'm sorry, I put on my lipstick and I totally forgot to come back and film the final look for you guys. So I went ahead and popped in a photo. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and I'll see you on the next one. Mwah!